Hello, my name is Doan, and this is the second video project I made for my study of deviances class. Our original assignment was to pick out a theory given to us from the science textbook that we either enjoyed or had lingering thoughts upon, and then to briefly discuss the origins of the theory and the person/people that came upon with it. The theory topic that I chose this time pertains to something that has had a great reemergence over the few decades or so. Emile Durkheim, a sociologist of French descent, born in the mid-18th century, has been one of the founding fathers of the way modern sociology is studied. He has many theory contributions, but this one will be something covered in Part 3, Chapter 7 of the textbook. It covers forms of self-destructive deviances and their extent of presence in modern society and cultures. Emile Durkheim's theory of self-injury posits that there is a distinct meaning of self-expression and identification that cultures have been doing as far as back as the Mayans. The definition of self-injury is slightly misleading as it can be misconstrued as self-cutting, meaning the act of violence certain people go through depression and other psychological issues commit upon themselves with the hopes of alleviating some of the mental pain by substituting in physical pain. The second reason that it is hard to justly define what parameters self-injury falls into is because it has a plethora of acts that could fall under the definition. It could be as little as a pierced ear, or as extreme as face tattoos or body modification. While in cultures like here in the United States of America, a pierced ear can be the first step a child takes towards a rebellious nature. In other cultures around the world, like Turkey, children receive pierced ears at a very young age. It is just a part of the culture in that region of the world. There are two categories that people can fall into when dealing with types of self-injurers. The first kind does it for cultural and social acceptance. There are cultures around the world that bestows tattoos and body modifications as signs of being the alpha or an elderly in a tribe or village. They are signs of great respect and wisdom. This type of self-injury is done by people that are not looking for any form of rebellious output, but contrarily, they are looking for mass approval of the society they are living in. The second group of people that commit self-injury are the people that do it for the hopes of being rebellious individuals through the use of things like tattoos, piercings, and unorthodox body modifications, things like spacers in ears or dermal piercings. These individuals know to see each other in societies and know that they have something in common with one another. This second type of people are closed off from society in general and only seek validation and approval from people that are minded just like them. The first type is very socially oriented, while the second type looks more towards the goal of a close circle friendship. Thank you for taking the time to watch.